Well, hello and good morning. It's Bron here from Nurse Power. I'm sitting on the mid-north coast of New South Wales. I'm gazing north at what used to be our beautiful beaches. As you know, we've been having terrible storms and even worse up north for those who are flooding, and our thoughts and prayers are those with the nurses and all the medical and the allied health who are caring for those who in those terrible spaces that we can see on TV. And heading south, of course, we've got the fires. So it's a pretty crazy world here in Australia right now with our climate. As I sit here looking at these waves, what it is, it's a bit like life. You know, sometimes things happen and it just keeps pounding at you and you have no control. But what you do have control, of course, is how you respond. Right now I'm having a lot of challenges with technology and I've got sick children and family, and of course it gets really tough. And just like these waves that I'm staring at in front of me, they just keep coming and I can't control what they do, but I can control how I respond. So what I want to say to you today, guys, is that as January comes to a close, just stay true and be really, really mindful of looking after yourself and your own health, because in nursing, as you know, health is just so fragile. So we need to look after ourselves and looking after each other. So as we ride through whatever challenges we face in nursing, and most of them, guys, is we can't actually control. So let's just stick to who we are and what we do best. So have a lovely day, and I hope this wave settle down soon. Take care.